Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to blur screenshots in Time Doctor, if you want to respect the user's privacy. Now what you want to do, okay, you can just come here at the top navigation bar, click here on settings, it will open up a drop down list, and from this drop down menu I want you to choose users. And once we click on this, we'll actually get all our users for our company or team. And for whichever user you want to blur screenshots for, you'll need to come here, okay, and toggle this one on. So right now it's toggled off. We'll just toggle it on. As you can see, blur screenshot setting updated for one user, okay. And now we'll do this same thing for this other user. So make sure everyone has that same setting. And that is how to blur screenshots in Time Doctor.